before we left. I bought his birthday present, wrapped it, and took it up to his house. If I don't do it, I'm gonna forget. And this in a bag. So I asked Terry, I'll probably like to do.
Hey Devin, what are we doing today?
Canoeing.
On where are we canoeing?
No idea.
Well, what's this river?
Buffalo.
Buffalo River.
It's Billy Day and Billy.
Okay, this is the start of our trip. Bill's dropping us off, and we're hoping we make it to where we're gonna go.
Down the river.
Down the river. We're not going up river. And we'll see some on the way. Okay, we made it onto the water. There's Devin. We're doing about a 4 or 5 mile trip down here, so got some rapids coming up. We'll catch you later. There's Bill back on shore. This is a life jacket cam. I got the camera strapped to my life vest. See all the action. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, camera. You can't see Devin because you're facing the wrong way.
There he is.
Wave to the camera, Devin.
Yep. We've got a huge woodpecker up in this tree. Let's see if I can get you.
Don't you want to go to
Okay, we got a weird stick in the water here that's like waving at us. You think it's a Russian submarine. It's pretty weird looking. They got some rapid turtles on those rocks.
This is the end. Beautiful friend. This is the end. My only friend. The end of our life.
Heading right for him.
The end of everything.
Look at the statue.
The end. No safety or surprise. The end.
There's a pretty brave turtle. That's a snapping turtle, isn't it?
Get into your eyes again.
Too much.
Can you picture what will be? So live endless and free. Just
Some more over on the logs over there.
of some stranger's hand in a desperate land.
There's our ride. Made it to Tyler's Bend.